Do you really dislike having this annoying bump here when you finish off a granny square? And would you like to make it smoother, like this one? Let me show you how I create that. I'll show you a very easy way to do it without having to bring out any type of needle. You can just do it with your own yarn hook. It's very easy. So get to the end here. And what we need to do is we'll cut off the yarn. So now once that we've cut this yarn, we go, here's the chain 3 and there's the next stitch there. Normally you would go in like that, but not in this case. In this case, we'll bring the yarn forward and then bring it this way. And then we'll grab it and pull it through. See? And just pull it through. And then I like to secure the ends by weaving them in. So you can weave them in. And that's the end result.